Comparing proportional relationships, Lesson 3.3, Part B. The standards are 8EE5 and 8EE6. The objective, use direct variation to solve problems. The essential question, why are graphs helpful? Unit rate, y divided by x, is proportional. It's the same as a slope when it's a proportional relationship. Unit rates, ratios that compare x units of one quantity to 1 unit of another quantity. Some examples, 2 cats to 1 dog is 2 cats for every dog. 37 jelly beans to 1 bag is 37 jelly beans per bag. Example number 1. Joanna, Caesar, and Ariadne jogged around the park. Each person documented their speed. What is the slope for each runner's data? Who jogged at the fastest rate? So we're going to start with Joanna's jogging time. It's represented by a graph. And I notice that this is a proportional relationship. The reason why is because the line goes through the origin. So I'm going to pick a point, and the point I'm going to pick is right here. So my rise is going to be 2, and my run is going to be 26. That means that my slope is 2 over 26. Now I want to convert this to a decimal. So 2 divided by 26 gives me 0.08 miles per minute. So now we're going to move on to Caesar. Caesar's jogging time is represented by a table. So on the left we have the time, on the right we have the distance. So the time is represented by x, and the distance is represented by y. To find the unit rate, we take our y value, and we divide it by our x value. So I'm going to pick 2, and I'm going to divide by 18. So 2 divided by 18 will give me 0.11. And that's going to be miles per minute. Now let's look at Ariadne's jogging time. It's represented by an equation. So our unit rate is the slope. So my slope in this case is 1 over 17. So I'm going to take 1, divide it by 17. That's going to give me 0.06 miles per minute. Now remember, the fastest time is the shortest time, and the slowest time is the longest time. So in this case, Ariadne has the fastest time with 0.06 miles per minute. So Ariadne jogged at the fastest rate. Example number 2. If each of the runners' speed were graphed, which line would be the flattest? How do you know? So the flattest line would be the slowest jogger. And in this case, the slowest jogger was Caesar because he had the longest time. So Caesar's line would be the flattest because he is the slowest jogger.